guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a wonderful day. My name is Sophia. This is your first day on my channel. My name is Sophia. Yeah guys, so I'm sitting right on the floor because I want to show you guys what I got from Primark. Okay guys, so I'm sitting on the floor. Hopefully I can show you guys everything properly. Okay, so let's get into this video and I'll show you guys what I have in my Primark bag. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I have this huge Primark bag right here. As you guys can see, it's quite big, isn't it? Yeah, this bag is £1, I think £1.50. It's quite fancy. I kind of like it because I can reuse it. Okay guys, so yeah, so that's the bag. Okay, so let's see what is inside. So most of the clothes in here are for my children. Okay, so I'll start with this one. So this is comfy, you know, the one you can wear at home, the warm what do you call it, slippers. I don't even know what they are called, but this one got memory foam inside. It's washable as well. Yeah, so this one was about £7. Okay, the price is in there somewhere. £7. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but it's £7. Okay, and then I also got this ribbon. Yeah, I got this ribbon. This ribbon, I'm supposed to actually add it to my Christmas stuff, so I'll leave this ribbon. I won't show you guys. I'll show you guys on my Christmas decoration haul. Okay, so I got these leggings. So this is leggings, as you can see. Okay, so this leggings is for me. Okay, so it's in, is it harsh gray or light gray? I don't know what you call it. So it's £2.50. Okay, I like their leggings. It's always cheaper. £2.50. So I always tend to buy my leggings from Primark actually. Okay, because it's cheaper. So you guys can see already. So that's that one. And then this one is for my daughter. Okay, so this is my daughter Precious. It's for her. She likes wearing those kind of things. I'm sure she'll be very happy. Okay, let's take this hanger off. And then I also got her this dress because she likes wearing leggings like her mommy. So I bought this dress for her as well. Got a belt. Okay, just as I said before, most of the stuff here for my kids, for the children. Okay, yeah guys, so it's a dress with a belt. She likes wearing leggings, so I feel she can wear leggings underneath. And this was £10. Okay, it was £10. And then this t-shirt, they are for my big son. Okay, this one is £3.50. £3.50. I hope you guys can see the price. So it's £3.50. Let me open it out properly. I think it's just a plain t-shirt. Okay, and then I also got him this one. This one was £2.50. I don't know why this one is £2.50 and this one is £3.50. I think the price is wrong because this one is plain and this one has some design on it, and it's £2.50. Can you guys see? £2.50. And you can see that I got some design. Can you guys see that it has some design on it there? Like a computer. Yeah, it got like a computer out of office. Yeah, it has the out of office design. I also got him this one. I don't know why the plain ones were more expensive though. See, £3.50. So just plain color. Okay, yeah. So that's for my big son. And this one here is for Precious. Okay, so this is like a normal, how do you call them, joggers. Okay, so this is for Precious. It's a jogger pants. I don't know what you call them, but okay. And I got a cuff at the bottom. I think you can adjust the waist with the, yes, you can adjust the waist with the string. And this one was £6. So you guys can see £6. Okay, so that's for Precious. And then I got this for my big daughter. Just a normal long sleeve top, because my big daughter, she's quite tall. You can't really get most of her clothes in Primark because she's tall. Just like my big son, he's also very tall. I don't buy trousers for them there because they are pretty tall, so you have to get length of like 34, 33, 34 if you want to buy trousers. So I don't buy trousers for them in Primark. I have to always buy online or somewhere else. So anyway, that's my big daughter. Yeah, you can buy tops for her in Primark, but not trousers. Okay, so this one was £6. Okay, and this one is for me. Okay guys, so this is for me. I like this t-shirt. I just saw it and I just like it. So this is mine. Okay. That's mine. Okay guys, so this one is £2.50. So it's quite cheap. I like their t-shirt, it's quite cheap. £2.50. I don't really shop at Primark as such. Okay, yeah, so that's mine. And then I bought this comfy slippers as well for my big daughter. This was £4, I believe. Yeah, it's £4. The price at the back, I'm not sure if you guys can see the price. It's somewhere there. Okay, it's £4. Yeah guys, so I don't know if you guys can see the price, but anyway, it's quite comfy. It looks comfy, feels comfy. Okay, that's £4. And this is for my big son. The price is already there, £5. Okay, that's 3 pair of hipster cotton like short. Okay, and then their home section, the Christmas, this one is from the home section. So I saw this 4 microfiber tea towel, because I want to change the tea towels that I have. The ones I have, I've had them for so long. When I mean long, I mean long. I normally tend to use things for a long time before I change them, unless it got damaged or broken. Yeah, I've been using them for a very long time. I mean long time. Although I wash them, of course. So I want to replace all of them. So I bought, this one is 4, so I need to buy more. Okay, so there's 4 here. I actually like it. It's pretty. So I think, yeah, this one is patterned, as you can see. And we also have this one that's so patterned. But the remaining 2, they are plain. Okay, so I like them. They were £3.50. I would have even bought more. I don't know why I buy only just this pack. They are £3.50, and I feel this would be nice for gift as well for Christmas. You can gift somebody this for Christmas. Just wrap it nicely. So I bought those ones for the kitchen. I also bought these for the kitchen as well. These are also £3.50. I saw it in their Christmas section. So I got a video coming up, shop with me in Primark, before this video, so you guys will see it. Okay, so this were £3.50 as well. I bought them because it's Christmas, but it's only this front one that has the Christmas thing on it. I mean the reindeer and Santa. It's like this one. The rest of them is plain. So I feel it's still okay to use afterwards. So maybe I don't need to buy more. But it's £3.50 for 4. Okay, and then I know my precious, she'll be very, very happy. My precious joy, she'll be very happy. I bought this, I just saw it and I really love it. They have different color, but I know she's more of a neutral girl, so I bought this. I don't know if the lighting is too much. I'm not sure if you guys can see it very well, but it's so comfortable. So this will be very perfect for a gift as well. It's pajama set. Yeah, cozy pajama set. Can you guys see? It's very pretty, very nice, very, very pretty. Okay, yeah, so this one was £8. Yeah, it's £8. It's £8. They have different colors there, and I know that Precious will like something of this color. So yeah, I don't want to open it out. I want her to see it like this. If not, I would have opened it out and show you guys, but this is how it looks. The picture is there. Yeah, okay guys, so that's all I bought from Primark. I said I was going to show you guys in a different video. That's my Primark bag empty. Yeah, so that's all I bought from Primark, plus this bag. The bag is £1.50. Okay, so yeah, so that's all I bought from my Primark. That's my Primark haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Okay, I know I'm sitting on the floor. I just felt like sitting on the floor. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.